চৰণা খনিদানা শুন শুন ৰে সুৰ বৈৰী প্ৰমাণা নিশা চৰণা খনিদানা ৰাম নাম যম সমৰ কষাজিয়ে ৰাম নাম যম সমৰ কষাজিয়ে সমদলে কৈলি পয়ানা শুন শুন ৰে সুৰ বৈৰী প্ৰমাণা নিশা চৰণা খনিদানা
Good morning, all of you. Sit down. Students, you tell me what is today's date?
14 November.
Yes. Do you know why this date is famous for?
Children's Day.
Good. Children's Day. This is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of independent India. He loved the children maximum. So today in his birthday, I would like to tell you one story. Do you want to hear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Once upon a time, there was a king. In his kingdom, so many people were there. One day, he was talking with his queen in his Rajmahal.
Today I am very happy, Devi. I am the king of this country. I am so strong that no one dares to attack our country.
It is because of the soldiers, Sargadeo.
You should not forget that they are selected by me and trained by my some special member.
It is true. But you should think about their happiness also.
What do you mean by that?
Sargadeo, why are you always let them unmarried?
All of you, look at me. Have you seen? Now you do. First you come. Shh. Hey, you come back. You go. Shh. You come. Shh. You go. You come. Shh. You go. Now you come. Wow, my brother, you did it.
Captain!
What happened?
One soldier got hurt. What?
Swargadev, he is going to die. His wife should be informed.
What? You are married? Devi, married persons have their own family responsibilities. At that time, they can't do their duties sincerely.
You don't let them to go to their houses also.
I'm giving them shelters, food. Why should they go to their home?
They may have their own old parents at home.
They should think before coming here. If they think about that, how will they make our country secure?
Nityangana, let's go to the Sargadev. May I coming, Sargadev?
Oh, Guhaidev. Come.
Pranam Sargadev. She is a dancer.
She is coming from a foreign country. She wants to show her dance in front of you.
Sit. In your country, no one watch your dance or what?
You can start your day.
You take this.
Guhaidev, I have to discuss something with you.
It's my pleasure to hear you, Swargadev.
Not here. Come with me. Guhaidev, you tell me, are all people in my country happy?
I think so, Swargadev.
How can I know that all people are happy? I have to roam.
You can, but in front of you, they will never show that they are unhappy.
Then how can I know their feelings?
You should go to them in disguise of a common man.
Yes, you are right. Tomorrow morning, I will start my journey.
It will be better, Swargadev.
You will give me the company.
Okay, Swargadev.
In the next morning, both of them went out from the Rajmahal in the dress of two civil persons. They walked a long path and felt very tired.
You also sit.
Swargadev, all the people are looking at us.
They may recognize us.
Swargadev, you see? Swargadev, those people are dancing. Let's listen them.
Guhaidev, Swargadev,
I have noticed all the people in this village are happy only. How will I get the sad person?
Sorgodev, I think that as we are coming together, they are recognizing us. So I think that they are not showing their sadness.
Yes, you may be correct.
So it is better we will go separately.
Let's do one thing. I will go this side and you go that side.
Sorgodev, I think that you should go this side and I will go that side.
Why?
Sorgodev, I know that this side people are more sad. They are suffering from lots of problems.
Okay, I'm going.
Who are you?
I am a traveler. May I come in and get rest? I am very tired and
Come in, dear sir.
Come. What a terrible weather. So hot today. Hey, come.
You are looking very tired. Give me the bag.
Sit.
And please sit here.
Sit down.
How very kind you are.
We are poor farmers, but at least we can allow you to get something.
I can give you some food if you like.
Thank you. I will be pleased with a little food. This is the best milk I have had in this week. But you tell me, why are you so poor? Have you no children to help you?
We have 2 sons. But they are all serving in the Sargodev's army. And we are
We
alone.
grow a little paddy on our stripe of land and manage somehow.
Do your sons never write to you?
No, they cannot write and we cannot read.
Oh.
And where they are, we do not know. They all serve in the cavalry.
How interesting. What are their names?
Ram and Rahim.
Ram and Rahim?
Yes, sir, in our country, all religions are same.
So, we give one Hindu name and one Muslim name.
So nice. Are you not angry with your Sargodev? Because he takes away your sons for so many years?
No, the Sargodev is great for us.
We are proud that they serve him.
Well, thank you for the meal. Now I must start my journey.
No, sir. You must stay here for today. The weather is so hot.
Make yourself comfortable. Take a rest. After that, you go.
Why, Dev?
Sargodev.
Did you call them?
Yes, Sargodev. I have already called Ram and Rahim. Oh, they are coming.
Pranam, Sargodev.
Ram and Rahim, I am very happy
Sargodev.
that you have done all the works very nicely. So, I allow you to go to home and meet your parents.
Thank you, Sargodev.
But remember, come back after 1 month.
Okay, Sargodev. Thank you.
You are great, Sargodev.
Today we are the owner of this house.
Yes, this is because of our king. He has given us this beautiful house. All these clothes, the gold coins, all are given by him. Today I am very happy.
Is this our house?
So beautiful house.
Oh, our mother and father. Our sons Ram and Rahim. Hey, come. Oh, they are coming. Hey, come. Today I am so happy, ma. After that, all of them very happily lived their whole life. The king also realized that he did the wrong. After that, he allowed all the soldiers to go to their own houses and to meet their own parents. Did you like the story? Yes, okay. Now you tell, was the king good at first? How did he realize? When he met the old people. Yes or no? Did you like the story? Yes, sir. Thank you. All of you stand up. All of you tell, we love Jawaharlal Nehru. Because he loved us. We all children love Nehru Chacha.
ঝিলিমিলি শাড়ি পিঁধে আখড়া মে নাচিলে ও মোর ধনী গো মনে আমার মাদল বাজায় হায় রে হায় ও মোর ধনী গো তোকে বড় মরম লাগি যায়